Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to insert links in PowerPoint slides so your presentations can be more interactive and engaging. First, open your PowerPoint presentation on your computer and navigate to the slide where you want to add a link. Next, select the text, shape, or image that will serve as the hyperlink trigger. If it's text, make sure to highlight exactly what you want to link. Then, go to the Insert tab on the PowerPoint toolbar and click the Link button. This will open a window where you can input your desired URL or link destination. Type or paste the URL in the address bar and double-check it to avoid any broken links. Once done, click OK to add the hyperlink to your selected element. Finally, save your presentation and test the link in presentation mode to ensure it works as expected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.